Right, so today we're at a mystery summit. This is a summit that actually doesn't have a name that I'm aware of. It'll be ZL3 something. I've written it down. We'll get to that in the end. And but it's sort of between Glenham and Picton. And I can tell you that over this way somewhere is Mt Dobson, and over that way somewhere behind Nathan is Mt Robertson. But this is, we could call this whatever mount we like, because we're probably the first people to actually ever turn up here. So Nathan, on a scale of 1 to 10, where 10 is let's climb Everest and 1 is let's push your grandmother around the park, how would you rate the walk to here today?
It's pretty hard. I'd say it's pushing at 8.
An 8?
Yeah.
An 8? Yeah. Well, Nathan kindly has offered to try and keep me out of trouble for a change, and we motorbiked a wee way. That's going to be exciting going back, I can tell that already. And then we've proceeded to be lost for probably about half an hour trying to find where the summit is. So there's a possibility we might not make it back. If you see this video later on, obviously it won't be me who's editing it. Anyway, look, we're about 36 minutes behind, which is probably pretty good for me, really. And I'm going to get set up, but there's it's one of these classic New Zealand summits where there's a lot of trees, and things to get tangled up in. So I'll work something out. This is a summit that hasn't been activated before. We'll try and get this one sorted, and then we'll scramble our way back down to the track and get out of here. But yeah, I shouldn't hang around. I'll get on with it. Right, so all set up, I think. We'll give this a shot. Anything's possible. Conditions have been pretty terrible the last few days. ZL2 November Echo Bravo is frequency in use.
ZL2 NEB, ZL2 BHF.
ZL2 BHF, hi Jim, thank goodness you're here. Look, it took me longer to get here than I thought, but you're 5'9" into whatever this mystery summit is, over.
Roger that. Well, you're also 5'9" into Nelson, over.
Well, that's a lot nicer than what we've had previously. Excellent. Look, I hope your day's going well, and looking forward to catching up with you guys in Kaikoura.
Oh, roger that. By the way, yeah, sorry, I said a 5'9". It should have been 5 and 7. I had the preamps running, over.
That's okay. 5 and 7 is great as well. Better than the 5 and 1s we were getting last week, over.
Yep. Now you're still kicking up to 9. You can leave the original. Very good. All right. Well, pleased to hear you there. I've been listening on the frequency, and no doubt others. Can you spot okay from there?
Look, I've only just set up, and I was conscious of how late I was, and I thought I'll check the frequency. I haven't spotted yet, but I do appear to have coverage here.
Oh, okay. If you like, I can go and. You're at MB-257, is that
right? Is that what I put down?
Yes, the one you put out last night, the alert. I can spot that for you if you like right now, over.
Oh, that'd be fantastic. Actually, yes, I wrote it down in my book this morning. So yeah, ZL3 Mike Bravo 257.
Roger, leave it with you. Good luck, and thanks for being there.
Thanks, Jim. Talk to you again.
73.
ZL3 November Lima Alpha.
ZL3 November Lima Alpha. Good morning, Nick. 5'9" into Mike Bravo 257.
QSL the 5'9", you're 5'8", Nick. Beautiful copy into Christchurch, and thanks for the forfeit.
Look, no problem. Thanks for coming back to me. I hope your day goes well.
Yep, having a great day. Just in the office chasing today, but thanks for being out there, Nick, and well done, and look forward to working again soon. Cheers.
Thank you, 73.
Charlie Romeo Delta Sierra.
Okay, so I've got Bravo Delta Sierra. I think I've got Charlie Romeo, but I had a ZL1 station before that. Can I have the ZL1 station again, over? ZL1 Golf Lima. Good morning, Grant. 5 and 6 here into Mike Bravo 257. Look, thanks for the 53. Hope your trip's going well. Appreciate you coming back to me. 73s. Now, I think, was it 03 Charlie Romeo?
Yeah, Roger. Good morning, Nick. Thanks for the climb, and you're 5-9 into Wellington.
Thanks for the 5-9, Craig. You're 5 and 8 here into Mike Bravo 257.
Roger, got the 5-8, and thanks again for the climb. Cheers.
Thank you, 73. And Graham ZL1 BDS, you're 5-9 here. You had big signal when I looked before, over.
ZL2 NEB, ZL1 BDS. Yeah, good morning, Nick. You're 5'9". I'm operating backyard portable, just testing antennas, 10 watts into your vertical. So you're the only station I can hear. Christchurch stations are weak. All other stations are unheard, even Nelson. ZL2 NEB, ZL1 BDS.
Oh, okay, well, certainly I can hear you fine here. You were unable to hear Jim earlier, over?
Unintelligible background only.
Okay, that doesn't sound encouraging. I hope you managed to sort out whatever it is you're working on, and thanks for coming back to me.
ZL2 NEB, ZL1 BDS. Yeah, Roger. Looks like a good spot you've got yourself up to there. Good luck and good hunting. 73.
Thanks, Graham. I think the going back part's the bit I'm most excited about. We'll see how that works out, over.
Oh, sounds good. Have fun.
Siki Sota, ZL2 November Echo Bravo, calling Siki Sota for summits on the air.
ZL1 Delta Bravo Hotel.
Delta Bravo.
ZL2 NEB, ZL3 Kilo Echo Juliet.
Okay, so I've got 1 Delta Bravo Hotel, Doug, and I've got 3 Kilo Echo Juliet. Doug, 5 and 7 here into Mike Bravo 257.
Yeah, sorry, Nick, I can just hear you. You're probably, it's very high noise level, but a 5 and 5 in the Cambridge this morning.
Okay, look, I appreciate the 5 and 5. Thanks for coming back to me. I hope your day goes well. ZL3 Kilo Echo Juliet. If you come back to me, I'll give you a signal report, over.
ZL2 November Echo Bravo, ZL3 Kilo Echo Juliet. You're a 555 into Mackenzie country, over.
Look, thanks for the 5x5 into Mackenzie. You're also 5-5 into Mike Bravo 257.
Cheers, have a good activation, Nick. 73's here.
Thanks. Look, you have a great day, 73s. So you can see here, Nathan, actually, that you can see there's another station beside it. It gives you this little waterfall. So we're here. Siki Sota, ZL2 November Echo Bravo, calling Siki Sota for summits on the air. And then these are 2 other stations that are also operating. Let's just see.
Because of there's a bit of wind which...
Siki Sota, ZL2 November Echo Bravo, calling Siki Sota for summits on the air. ZL2 November Echo Bravo. Look, thanks for the chases today to the summit. I appreciate your patience. It took us a little longer than we expected to get here, but you know, we've got 30 contacts. So look, I hope everyone has a great rest of their day, and I'll talk to you again. 73. Right, we've done it. It's so now I always have to do the bit about what are we doing, because people like that. So it's right. Okay, so 31 contacts, and better than I thought we might have done, because the last week or so has actually not been fantastic when it's come. Hang on, stand by. Yeah, hold that. 01 SKL, 02 November Echo Bravo. Good morning. 5 and 7 here into Mike Bravo 257.
G'day, Nick. How are you, mate? Hope you're having a good day. You're 5 and 6, 56 back to me, mate. Over.
Thanks for the 56. Look, I appreciate you coming back to me. I was actually just about to pack up, so you squeezed in there just the right time, over.
Oh, mate, just as well I didn't dilly-dally anymore, eh? Hey, good to get you along, mate. A good day to you, sir. Over.
Yeah, thank you. Look, it's been a bit of an adventure getting here, and I suspect it will be the same trying to get back. You have a great rest of your day.
Thanks, mate. 7-3.
Right. Sorry.
No, that's all good.
Admin. So conditions have not been fantastic. So this has worked out better than I had thought, although we were slightly behind time. So the setup today, the G90 we've been using a lot. Normal battery. I'm using the choke, although I technically don't really need it. But I don't think there's a penalty really of using chokes. So it's not going to make it. It's not going to make things worse. And then the mast or the antenna setup, using RG174, which you almost lose on the floor. Just cable tied, the elastic tied. Well, even didn't do that very well. The mast. This is the 6 meter mast to this handily placed branch. The mast is going up. Actually, it's fallen over. Anyway, no one noticed. Up to the top, and then I'm using that dipole, 40 meter dipole with the ballon on top of it, and then I got one leg of it running down over to where this tree is down over here. Oh yeah, I can still see it, and the other leg running back this way, although it's almost impossible to see because of the tied over there. Oh, here we go, just there. So standard setup, nothing too dramatic. We're actually not that high. We're about 710 meters or so, I think, this summit. So not a real high one. And if we look through there, you might not be able to see. You can just see parts of Blenheim out around there. It's quite a good view, but too many trees in the road. Anyway, look, we'll pack up and scramble away back down to where we came, and sort out whatever I'm going to do for the next one. It's we've been all over the place recently, and it was nice to try and to actually get to this one. It wasn't quite clear how I would have done it unless Nathan had found an easy way for us to get here. Anyway, let's hope it's an easy way to get back. I'm unsure about that as well. Anyway, you take care. Good to talk to you, and we'll see you again. See ya.